Hello everybody, back to the garage and the miniature studio, and today I've been doing a lot of different things with bricks and chimneys and fireplaces, and I've realised that when you're building a dollhouse there's an awful lot of painting to do. I must go through litres of paint, and so everything is always in a state of being painted. I'm working on this chimney and I'm just putting the trim on now, and that's all got to be sanded down and finished, but that'll be ready to go shortly. And I've been playing with the fireplace. I've been working with different design elements to see if I can get this fireplace looking like I want it to look, and now I'm looking for a couple of little decorative pieces to go around there, like a frame, maybe another one of those. That one I printed on the 3D printer today. And so that's my fireplace in the hall. I can't glue anything onto it yet because it has to have a hinge put on it, and I need to be able to lay it flat to do that, so I'm just playing with that one. And the other thing I'm doing on my other new table is I've made these permanent. They don't move anymore, and I won't be doing that chimney permanently for a while until I've got it all wired up. And I've been working on this little fireplace for the kitchen. I think we'll just have to take you around the other side so you can see that. I just got to fiddle a little bit with my measurements on this wall because I made an adjustment and that was a mistake. But anyway, I'll just pop that there so that it holds it in place. So that will be my fireplace. This wall will go, yeah. And I've got another wall over there. And then when I've got this wall done, I'll be able to put the first floor on. And I'm hoping I'll be able to do that tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the first ceiling and floor day. And basically I'll be cutting it to size because there's a lot of work to do on the underside of the ceiling, and there'll be a lot of work to do on the top. And so I'll pause now and I'll take you to my studio because somebody asked me if I would demonstrate a little bit about embossing paper for my ceilings. So I'll go and do that now. So moving on, this is my CuttleBug, my embosser. It's a pretty amateur one. It's just for playing with really, but I bought it years ago and it works really well, so I haven't decided to upgrade. I've got some paper here which is slightly glossy, shiny on that side, and I've got my embossing pattern, which was one of those I bought at the paper craft fair, and I put my paper in the middle. Now with this one here, I know how much the thickness is of everything, so I know it works. So you put one of those plates on either end side, and then you put the big one on the bottom, and that's just the right thickness to create a bit of pressure. And then I feed it into here, and I just press my tummy against that. That's where tummies are good. And I just give it a bit of a turn with the handle and push it through. And that's enough pressure to create a pattern. And I thought I would do several of these and make panels from them. So there's that one. And you might recall I bought another one. This is this one. I haven't tried this yet to see what it's like. So again, put a piece of paper in the middle. Put these two panels on either side. Where's the other one gone? Here we go. Put the big one on the bottom, and I'll feed it through again. Just putting a bit of pressure there on using my tummy. Taking it through, and that will give me a different pattern. So for those of you who've done this sort of thing, It's pretty basic stuff really, but for those of you who've never done it, well, it's something to explore. And so these make quite good panels for walls or roofs. There's lots of other patterns you can impress on paper, but I've always used it for walls. But I will show you, just pause for a moment. So I can use light copper sheet and put it through the machine, and it will emboss a pattern on the copper sheet, which is really lovely too if you're doing Art Deco stuff. And that's another pattern that I've used in the past with copper. So quite a versatile little machine. So I hope you enjoyed that little demo. And tomorrow I'll be back with my paintbrushes and my bricks and my fireplaces.